Hey, Sponge Junkie. Ooh, this pine. I haven't used this pine in so long. The HEB pine. Hey, Rella. This is so good. Hey, Roma. Roma. I'm like, you would be doing a live when I was busy. I was so busy this weekend and I still am. I can fit like a little live in here. We have dish soap for $3. Hey, Bubble Bird, thank you for the heartbeat. Like I haven't seen you forever. I know you say you've been potty training the little one. Hey, Brandy. What time is it? 2:03. I hope Gabby is still in here. Are you still in here, love? You hear it sizzling? Same. Oh. Thank you for the gifts. Dr. Pepper, baby, it's good and nice. Doo-doo-doo. My cuñada, she got me a Dr. Pepper, a blanket. You're late to the party? No. We have a lot of stuff to like to add that's available if anyone wants to send. Hey, Lizzie. Oh yeah, Lee. It's a shower cap, Brandy, but thank you. Yeah, the focus is definitely doing its thing. Hi, Sophia. For laundry, I have 3 Romas left. They are 4 each, and then I have cans. This is all the powder that's been sent for at the moment. And we have 2 pine jugs still left to go in. Thank you. Thank you. I think I'm gonna do the dish soap Brit. Hey, Mira. I know, Bert loves her suds. This pine smells really good. I think I need to start using it more. I'm loving these Focal Bombs. So good. Brandy. Hey, Des. This smells so good. If anyone would like to add chat, we don't have any more. We don't have any more to add. Let me know. Hey Siri, call my husband on speaker. Hey, I have you on speaker, but hello?
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, I have you on speaker. I'm still on live, but I was gonna see like when you were coming back.
I don't know, my uncle just pulled up, my uncle, my cousin.
Your uncle
What time
and your brother?
I mean, all depends too. I'll head out here in a few, but.
Is it your uncle and your brothers?
No. My uncle, my cousins.
Oh.
Yeah.
From Cleveland?
Yeah. What time are you gonna be done?
I think I'm about to be done in a few minutes, so that's why I'm like,
That's cool, I'll head out in a few.
Okay.
Alright,
Love you, bye. Yeah, for real. But I'm like, I think I'll be done here soon. The daytime crowd is not my crowd, usually. That's what I said, the daytime crowd. It's too early. I'm gonna take these out. So, where can I put these? Kids right here. If you are new here, hit the follow. I'm going to take it off. The line is closed for add-ins. Sponges. They just squeeze so good. Thank you. Sweet matcha lattes. I know you said that earlier, but thanks again. Yes, make sure you follow Main Squeeze and me if you're not already. We are doing